A keystone species is a species that an ecosystem largely depends on. Their daily activities affect ecosystems as a whole. Without these species, the ecosystem that they occur in would dramatically change or even cease to exist. Keystone species are so important that some scientists believe that they should be given special protection. In 1969, ecologist Robert T. Payne introduced the concept of a keystone species in a study that analyzed the impact of starfish in their habitat. The word keystone comes from the stone at the summit of an arc that closes the gap together. This stone represents the keystone species' role in an ecosystem because it holds the ecosystem together. Castor Canadensis beavers are the largest rodents in America, and their body structure is built for life in the water. These beavers have an average body size of around 2 feet that weighs 60 pounds and a flat tail around 1 foot that is used for swimming, balance, and alarming when they sense predators. These beavers also have a brown, shiny, oily, 2-layered waterproof fur coat that keeps them warm during the winter. They have large, webbed feet that allow them to freely move in water, and front paws with widely splayed fingers that allow them to grip logs. They have small ears with the ability to detect sounds from far away, and an advanced sense of smell that is used for food selectivity and identifying family members inside of their colonies. Castor canadensis beavers can be found throughout the forests of North America, but they do not live in North Canada and the deserts of the southern United States and Mexico. Beavers are always found near lakes, streams, and rivers. They always choose an area where they can access birch, aspen, poplar, mud, and willow, which are all used to create lodges that they live in. Beaver lodges are dome-shaped structured houses that are built by beavers. They can go up to 10 feet tall. Beaver lodges have one large chamber that is covered in wood chips to absorb moisture from below, 2 entrances from underwater, and a ventilation system. Beavers are very strict herbivores and nocturnal animals. They prefer to hunt at night instead of the morning and eat tree bark, which is a softer layer of wood from trees like aspen, poplar, birch, and maple wood. They also eat leaves and aquatic plants like water lily and cattail. During winter, beavers do not hibernate, and that is when food availability is scarce, so they gather large quantities of tree bark in their homes to support them during winter. During the summer, a beaver's food intake is about 2 kilograms a day, but during winter, their food consumption drops to about 0.9 kilograms a day. Beavers live in groups of up to 8 related individuals, which is called a colony. The younger sibling in the colony stays with their parents for up to 2 years, helping with breeding, food collection, and lodge building. Beaver colonies are extremely territorial and defend against other beaver colonies. Beavers mark their territory by creating mud piles around their lodges. The most common beaver predators are foxes, wolves, and coyotes, but they are mostly safe from these predators in water and inside of their lodges. Beavers are often killed and hunted by humans because of their fur and meat. So far, humans have been the biggest threat to the beaver population. Castor canadensis beavers are often referred to as ecosystem engineers because they build lodges and dams on rivers. This has a huge impact on the environment because the dams create wetlands for species to thrive in and let aquatic and normal plants grow, raises the water table, and helps purify the water. Other benefits include decreases damaging floods, decreases erosion, produces food for fish and other animals. These dams support biodiversity, including 43% of endangered species. The dams that beavers create impact all of the following: birds, amphibians, reptiles, fish, trees, and large animals like moose and many other more species. The beaver's relationship with all of these is indirect, and as the number of beavers increase, so does the biodiversity of the ecosystem.